Hey everyone, it's Susie Lee. Look at this. I mean, seriously. Now this is a jaw dropper. Isn't this gorgeous? The one that was just plain. I'll show you how I did it. What I did. We're gonna dazzle all these up, but I'm gonna show you how I made it real quick. Styrofoam ball from the Dollar Tree. This eyelash yarn from Walmart. Okay. Just add a little bit of hot glue to the top of it. So simple. You can make these, you're going to be addicted to these, I'm telling you. I put my little protector on my finger here. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to just start wrapping. You know, like when you're wrapping, or if you crochet or knit, you wrap a yarn ball. And then every once in a while, I'm going to add some hot glue around the styrofoam ball, okay? I'm just going to start wrapping it. It's really, you guys, this is addictive, seriously. So, I just want to make sure that all of the styrofoam is covered. So I just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Okay, it's all covered up. It's all covered. And I'm going to add a little bit of extra glue at the end here. So we got another snowball. That easy, right? So now we're going to decorate it. And what I did for the hangers is I took a little bit of the silver bling wrap. I took 2 wide and about, I'd say maybe 20 long. I don't even think I counted, but I did make them all the same length so that they were uniform. Anyway, all right, I'm going to put a little bit of this E6000. I like to use both because, you know, one holds temporarily and the other one holds permanently. So I put a little bit of both on here and I just lay it down flat like this and hold it up for a second. Like this. And I'm going to go ahead and going to do the same thing on the other end. Oops. You gotta always cover your E6000 glue up again because it oozes out very quickly. And I found out when I first started using it, I found out much to my dismay that if you don't cover it up right away, it comes right out at you. So that's why I keep covering it back up. Isn't that easy? And how pretty these are. I mean, seriously, look at that. You know what you would pay in a boutique or in a department store for something for one of these? So simple, right? Okay, and I've got a little bow here that I'm going to cover the end of the bling wrap with where I attached it. These might end up being gifted. I'm not sure here. But all right, so a little bit of E6000 again. And I just picked out the ones that I think were more snowflake-ish. Is that a word? You'll find that I use the word ish a lot. I'm an ish lady. I'm always saying ish. I don't know where I got all that from. Yes, indeed. Yes, this is the bling wrap, and now this one that I'm using, and this one that I'm using is the brooches with the clear crystals and the black. The black, and it's like black and white dynamite, right?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.